Hi, and sorry for the crappy sound, crappy edit, crappy shooting, crappy everything. I did all this real quick to show you guys how to plug everything together. So it was the same idea as PCDOODLE did back in the days, and he's still doing. He's selling those computer with an X330 now, and this is for the X230 as he did before. It's not that expensive, it's like 300 something, so if you don't want the hassle, maybe it's better to still buy it from him. But if you want to try this on your own way, and maybe this will help. So first of all, you have to plug this little extender, 30-pin extender, to put it on the other way. So you have to like fold it in two, as I do there. Then you'll be able to plug the 30-pin from the board. You have to get out the panel first, but I think you figure out the way to do it. It's pretty easy. You just have the two screws to untie them, and that's it. So you plug it there. Second shot, because I didn't reach it the first time. And then you can put the screen back, kind of back in place, and test if it works. Supposedly it works. It worked for me. Yeah, you'll see. It works. Great. Yeah. And then when it's working, you can like rip apart the rubber thing that are on the back of the lid. So yeah, it was a bit tedious on my part because I had only one hand filming with the other. So just those two big rubbery parts and the two little metal-y ones on the side. Yeah, so now let's focus on the 3D printed parts. So you have those three different parts. You can see they are marked like right top, left top, and it's supposed to be when you watch the screen from the front. So it's reversed there. The best thing would have been to print everything on one piece, but I couldn't because my printer was too small. So yeah, it's divided in 4 parts. The left part, the right part, and the two little assembly things that you use to put them together. It's not the best. It could use like few half millimeters adjustment depending on your printing device and stuff. So yeah, I did the best I could, but it's actually working. And then you can put it back in the enclosure in the lid, and it's supposed to fit and sit there quite well. Then you just have to put back the top of the lid, screw everything, and turn it on, and should be good to go. Yeah, finally did it, because I always wanted, since I saw the PCDOODLE's one, to have one, and I had like a N30, a Samsung N30, on which there's a PIXEL QI, I think it's 03i-01, is fitting. You will see the name afterwards in the video, but it's too slow. You can do anything with that. So the X230 was a great improvement on this. It's still a great improvement on this, and I will be able to do a few like web browsing or stuff like that. So yeah, I finally decided, because it's really cheap now. I had this one for like $80 or something. So yeah, it's no more a big like money spending risk if it doesn't work, and it works really well. So it's easy. It was I guess I waited too long to do that, but yeah, here it goes. Hope it helps. Bye.